What's up, everybody? This your girl Loveena coming back to you with another cash stuffing envelope video, you guys. But guess what? Your girl stuffs on a low income budget, you guys. I'm stuffing what I can when I can, and that's how we do it over here, okay? So, like I said, let's get into this cash stuffing video. Hey, y'all. Hey, y'all know what? It's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a good week. I feel it. I just feel like something good about to happen. Y'all ever feel like that? Like something good about to happen? And you know what, y'all? Will said, dang, why you, I know we all adults here, so I'm gonna tell y'all. But we all adults here, right? I've been into slow jams during the day. Will talking about, why you keep listening to love making music in the daytime? Like, that's nighttime music. I'm like, no. I'm in love right now. You ought to be happy I'm playing love songs, because you know what? It's getting better, y'all. You know, it's getting better. That's all I can say. Still making it, but now I can see the extras. You know what I mean? It's getting better. You know, I keep going through, what they say, hills and valleys. That's what it sounds like, y'all. And that's what it feel like, too. In all actuality, it's up and down and up and down. You know, just like the stock market, up and down and up and down. But one day you just get that traction and you just be like a rocket. Like a GD rocket. All right, y'all. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it for myself. I'm wishing and praying, and I can't feel it for y'all, but y'all know what I mean. I want it for y'all. I want it for all of us. At least for this moment right now, y'all, your girl feeling like it's going to be something good about to happen. All right? I don't even know. Y'all, I just felt the spirit. I don't even know if I even counted this money, but we're going to count it again because I'm not sure. Okay, so we got 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, $18, y'all. And today, we will be keeping it simple. Keeping it simple, y'all. At least for a little bit. We're going to keep it simple. I know y'all might get bored, but you know what I mean? I hope y'all don't get bored. But I want to keep it simple and get this, I don't want to be all in all these binders. I might change a binder next week for next week's videos, but I don't know. Right now, just this week, I'm going to focus on this what I'm doing, like this pattern, okay, y'all? Because I can't tackle all these. I give up with trying to stuff all these mugs, okay, at the same time. No, man, we're gonna give these mugs weeks. I don't know, but I'm gonna try that. All right, so bear with me, y'all. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give the emergency fund, as always, a big chunk. And we're gonna give the emergency fund $10, y'all. So now we got 10, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. $34. We rolling up on a hot 50. A hot 50. Going once, going twice. No. But we rolling up on a hot 50. Yes, we are. And we're going to do Renzo's Savings Challenge, which will, I'm pretty sure, it's going to get $1. We're going to go ahead and knock that George Washington out on here. So, yep, we're going to go ahead, y'all, and get rid of that $1. That's what we're doing this week, the $1. How y'all been doing today? I mean, not today, but this week. How you doing today, though? I can ask you how you doing today. How you doing today? So did we get it? Did I already put it? Okay, I must have already put it. Okay. So, yeah, I already put it in there, y'all. So let's count this. So now we have, I got to get rid of these ones, honey. Whew, child. Let's go ahead and do it. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, Okay. 56, huh? Oh, I must have, y'all know what? It's because this off. 50, this only a 7. I must didn't color in some stuff or scratch off some stuff. But we almost fit through with that. We only $4 away. Oh, that 3. Oh, that 3, y'all. That 3 is colored in. Okay. 56. Yep, that's right. Okay. Let's get this on out the way. So how y'all doing on y'all savings journey? Anybody got any testimonials, some motivation for the comment section? Anybody doing something? I mean, like, we all doing something, but anything happen? Y'all reach a major milestone or anything? Let me know in the comments. And y'all, mwah, thank y'all so much for being here for your girl. It is needed, appreciated, absolutely appreciated. Okay, y'all? So we're going to go ahead and end this video and stuff this $7 in my envelope that Heather got me from my $100, my 100 envelope challenge. But I took half out, y'all. Okay? So, y'all, I will see you guys in the comments. See you guys later. But before we go, I do have binders, $25 shipping included. Message me. My information is in the description box below. And I will also tell you what colors I have available. Okay? So don't forget to hit the like button and hit that subscribe button. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.